Have you ever wondered why doctors always emphasize the importance of healthy eating habits? Well, the answer is simple and profound at the same time. What we eat has a direct impact on our overall well-being. Food is our body's fuel, and just like a car, our bodies perform best when given high-quality fuel. When we talk about healthy eating habits, what we're really discussing is a way of interacting with food that promotes our physical, mental, and even emotional health. It's not just about choosing certain foods over others, but also about understanding the power of balance, variety, and moderation. Firstly, a balanced diet can prevent a myriad of diseases. Consuming a variety of foods rich in different nutrients helps our body function optimally, strengthening our immune system, and making us less susceptible to illnesses. From heart disease to diabetes to certain types of cancer, healthy eating habits can act as a protective shield. Secondly, our diet can significantly affect our mood. Ever noticed how you feel sluggish after a heavy meal or energetic after a fruit-packed smoothie? That's because certain foods release chemicals in our brain that make us feel good. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish and nuts, or those high in vitamin D, like dairy products, can help boost our mood and combat depression. Next, maintaining a diet balanced in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats can increase our energy levels. Proteins help build and repair body tissues. Carbohydrates provide the body with the energy it needs to function, and healthy fats support cell growth and protect our organs. Lastly, healthy eating habits can help us maintain a healthy weight. By eating nutrient-dense foods, we can satisfy our hunger without overeating, thus avoiding unnecessary weight gain. The key to healthy eating is to include a variety of food groups in your diet. Now, you might be wondering, what are these food groups? When we talk about food groups, we typically refer to 5 main categories: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Let's start with fruits. Fruits are nature's sweet treats, offering a bounty of flavors from the tangy sweetness of oranges to the subtle tartness of berries. But they're not just delicious. They're packed with essential vitamins and fiber that help our bodies function optimally. Apples, for instance, are a great source of dietary fiber, while citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are rich in vitamin C. Next, we have vegetables. Vegetables are the superheroes of our diet, offering a wide range of nutrients. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber and potassium. Take spinach, for example. This leafy green is packed with nutrients including iron, calcium, and vitamin K, which are essential for our health. Then we have grains. Grains are our body's main source of energy. They provide us with carbohydrates, which our bodies convert into glucose to fuel our cells. Whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread are particularly beneficial as they also offer fiber, B vitamins, and minerals such as iron and magnesium. Protein foods come next. These are the building blocks of our bodies. They're crucial for muscle building and repair, and for making enzymes and hormones. Foods like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and nuts are rich in protein. For instance, a single chicken breast can provide about half of your daily protein needs. Lastly, we have dairy. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone health. They also provide other essential nutrients like protein and vitamin B12. So to sum it up, fruits and vegetables provide us with vitamins and fiber. Grains give us carbohydrates, protein foods are essential for muscle building and repair, and dairy products are a great source of calcium and vitamin D. As you can see, each food group has a unique role in our health. But how much of each should we eat? Making balanced food choices doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about portion control and variety. Imagine your plate as a canvas, and each meal is an opportunity to paint a colorful and nutrient-rich picture. To do this, you don't need a degree in nutrition. You just need to understand the basics of portion sizes and the importance of variety. Let's start with portion sizes. It's easy to overeat when we're served large portions, and sometimes even when it comes to healthy foods, too much of a good thing can still be too much. Paying attention to portion sizes helps us keep track of our calorie intake without having to count every single calorie. As a rule of thumb, half of your plate should be filled with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with whole grains, and the other quarter with lean proteins. A small amount of healthy fats, such as avocado or olive oil, can also be included. Now let's talk about variety. Eating a variety of foods ensures that our bodies get a wide range of nutrients. Each food group offers different nutrients that are crucial for our health. For example, fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, grains provide us with energy, proteins help repair our body tissues, and dairy products supply us with calcium for strong bones and teeth. Incorporating a variety of foods from each food group in our meals not only adds different flavors and textures, making our meals more enjoyable, but it also ensures we're getting a balanced intake of nutrients. Remember, no single food or food group can provide all the nutrients our bodies need, so it's important not to skip any food group. Eating should be a pleasurable experience, not a chore. Experiment with different foods, try new recipes, and most importantly, listen to your body. It will tell you what it needs, and it will thank you for feeding it well. By making balanced food choices, you are ensuring your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Now, let's talk about how to overcome some common challenges to healthy eating. Time constraints and budget limitations can often be barriers to healthy eating, but with a little planning and creativity, you can overcome these challenges. Let's begin with planning nutritious meals and snacks ahead of time. Planning is a simple yet powerful tool for healthy eating. Start by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. It doesn't have to be elaborate. A simple list of what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks can go a long way. Once you have your plan, make a shopping list based on it. This will not only save you time, but also help you resist impulse purchases of unhealthy foods. Next, consider preparing meals in advance. When you're short on time, having a ready-to-eat meal in the fridge can be a game changer. You can prepare and store meals in individual containers, so you always have a healthy option on hand, even on your busiest days. Now let's talk about eating healthy on a budget. First, buying in bulk can save you money. Items like whole grains, beans, and certain vegetables are often cheaper when bought in large quantities. Just make sure you have a plan to use them before they spoil. Second, choose seasonal produce whenever possible. Not only is it fresher and often tastier, but it's usually more affordable too. Plus, it's a great way to add variety to your diet. Lastly, minimizing food waste is another effective strategy. Be mindful of the portions you prepare and serve to avoid leftovers going to waste. And remember, many parts of fruits and vegetables that we often throw away, like beet greens or broccoli stems, are actually edible and packed with nutrients. Remember, healthy eating is not about perfection. It's about making better choices most of the time. So start small and make a change today for a healthier tomorrow.